Okay, I found what to do. Go to Bootstrap. I'm looking for the quartz theme, but whatever. Bootstrap buttons I've searched for. And there it is. Boots Watch Quartz. Bootstrap buttons. This might be better. Let's try that one. Yeah, that hasn't got the quartz in it. Let's go back. Let's get a quartz. Bootstrap. Boots Watch Quartz. I don't know why it's not Bootstrap, but still. That is my problem, isn't it? Go to here. Go in there. And there is the code. So let's try. Let's go for primary buttons. Right, that's what I want. Let's copy that, see what that does. Let's put that into our main menu. Look at the bottom, see if that's the colour we want. Let's save that and go run it again. There's a button. It's not the colour much, but it's a button. Okay. Of course, we need a P there, don't we? Got a new page, new paragraph rather. Or div we could use, whatever. Save, go back and try it again. Yeah, okay, it's not the colour I want though. Let's inspect that. Find out what's going on. And sure, if you can't load that, it can't load this. Bootstrap min, Bootstrap web, we can't load it. Why is that? Probably because it's external. I need to configure Python to allow that. So tell you what we'll do. We will move them locally. So let's see how we're going to do that now. Let's change the buttons first and worry later about that. Let's go to ChatGPT. Back to where are you? There you are. Or chat on. Okay. Where to this? And what we want is, where is it? Let's convert these three refs, those there. Copy that. Convert these links into buttons, one on each line. Then usually, I don't know if you need to, I'll put a semicolon to separate it and whack the buttons in. And away we go. That becomes, Okay, let's try that. Copy it. Throw that into our main menu and see what happens. Main menu, we'll put that in instead. What's it actually want? It's the whole, yeah, it's in block. It's the whole thing it's giving me. In block, I can just paste the whole thing in, replace the whole page, save it. And we will go back to buttons, Bootstrap. We'll go back to book management. There we are. Refresh that. Well, yes. Well, there's one online, but they're not buttons, are they? Why is that? Failed to load. Yeah, you see, it's still not doing it. So, yeah, these are URLs. Why aren't they buttons? This is the type of thing that the AI doesn't do. It doesn't quite understand sometimes what you mean. Back to my chat. Convert the links to buttons. You can simply write a button line in a div. Okay, to have a new line. It's still not a button. That's why, of course, you can't find this, the star sheet. Because if I go to here and I look, book management, and I go here, look, failed to load the resource. If I can extend it up for you guys, have a look. There. Failed to load resource. The Bootstrap min, Bootstrap, you can't find any of them. So let's have a look and see why it's not picking those up. Because of course it's not. I haven't put them in the right files. I've forgotten that. Duh. Right, back in a minute. And sure enough, this is my problem. If I go back to the chat, it says put these in here, put those in there, put those in there, but it didn't. You see here, static CSS and JS. That's what I've forgotten. So let's grab those files and put them in CSS off static in JSS, and what's what we got. It's using them locally rather than picking up directly. Well, menu, static, and sure enough, nothing else. Let's get a new folder, CSS, and another new folder. Oops. Call it JS, and let's grab those files. Which is, where are they? Yeah, back to here, and what it's looking for in the open file layout. There we are. Yeah, and of course it's looking for these. If you can't find them, because you can't find this JS Bootstrap min. So let's download those now. If we go to Bootstrap, and I look for, oops, there we are, there it is, download. So I want compiled source examples. Yeah, let's get the compiled ones. They're coming in as a zip file, helpfully, unhelpfully. Let's throw them into a folder, which is Flask with menu. We'll paste them in there. Let's open them up again now, see what we've got. There. Oh look, there's even a CSS and a JS file. I'll tell you what, let's take all of it. I'll tell you what, let's do it this way. We go to my Flask with menu and go to that folder there, static there. So I want them all to go in there. Just static, it'll say you've already got folders there. What I thought, there we are. Has it done it properly? Let's have a look. Oh, there we are. And there we are. Okay, I think I've done it. I don't think I need that zip file anymore. Let's get rid of that. Delete. Okay, let's try it again. Oops. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Okay, now we've got our managed books, managed customers. We've got everything. Great.